Students can't be what they can't see. And if students don't know what's possible, they can explore opportunities available to them and pursue paths that empower them to thrive. That's why access to career learning is vital for all students. Each and every one of us, as members of the PLTW network, is dedicated to empowering students to thrive. To move this work forward, we're all committed to expanding student and teacher access to career learning experiences in the classroom and beyond. And together, we're making progress.
PLTW has made me think of goals that I never would have even thought of in the first place, and then given me the confidence to pursue them.
When I first started, I didn't know what a computer scientist looked like. I didn't know what someone in industry, like what could they do? How did you get there? What did that mean? What did that job look like? And PLTW really gave me that insight in, here's a job path for you. PLTW showed me that path that I had no basis for before.
It's almost impossible to put it into words how much Project Lead the Way has contributed to who I am and who I want to be. It showed me all the opportunities there are out there and how if you want something, you make it happen. I think that Project Lead the Way was made by dreamers for dreamers, and it's amazing to get to be a part of that.
We're also focused on continuing to do more to ensure every student has access to these vital career learning experiences. This means equipping teachers with first-hand industry connections. This means expanding access to transformative learning experiences through grants. This means providing students with early opportunities to step into professional roles in the workplace. And this means working together every step of the way.
Students are depending on you.
Students are depending on him.
Students are depending on her.
Students are depending on me.
Los estudiantes dependen de nosotros.
Students are depending on us.